If you own a business at this point in the history of the world, you're probably using some form of digital marketing to promote it. In fact, you're probably using more than one form simultaneously, and you probably use them almost every single day. But what exactly is digital marketing? And what if you aren't using it and you want to get started? Most importantly, what are the best ways to use digital marketing right now for your business? Let's talk about it. Welcome back, friends. I am David McElroy, helping you help yourself grow in business. If you're a subscriber, it's great to see you again. If you're brand new to the channel, it's great to have you along, and I really appreciate you spending some time with me today. And just to show you how much I appreciate you, I want to give you something right off the bat, and guess what? It's free. Jump on down to the show notes below and download my free guide, How to Get Your First 10,000 Followers on Social Media. It's a super simple step-by-step guide to growing your audience on social media to 5 figures. And this guide will take you step-by-step down that path. And it's totally free. So what exactly is digital marketing? Well, first of all, it's really not as complicated as it might sound. Digital marketing is any form of marketing that's done digitally. So essentially, marketing that's done online rather than in physical form. Physical marketing might include things like advertising in a newspaper or magazine, because you have to physically hold it, or getting a flyer or a pamphlet through your letterbox. It can also include other traditional forms of advertising like billboards by the side of the road or TV commercials or ads. And I would also include radio ads on that list as well. Basically, if it existed before the internet, it's probably traditional marketing. If it only existed after the internet became commonplace, it's probably digital marketing. So what kinds of digital marketing can you use right now to promote your business? I'm going to talk through 3 in particular today because I use them myself and I can vouch for their effectiveness. So make sure, as always, you stick around to the end of the video to hear about all 3. So let's start off with the most obvious one first, social media. Social media is far and away the most common and often the most effective way to market your business or sell your product online. Spend any time on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, whatever platform, and you're going to see a lot of advertising. And most of the ads you see are probably as a result of you clicking on a product on another website or showing some interest in that product by liking a post about it. And then the algorithms on that platform are going to push that product towards you. Either way, social media is an extremely powerful tool for marketing your business, and it's all done digitally. And if you want some help for developing a really good strategy for your social media advertising, you should definitely check out my course. It's linked down in the show notes below. It's called Sustainable Scalable Social Strategy. And definitely check that out if you get the chance. That is number 1. It's the most obvious one. Number 2 is maybe less obvious, and that's email marketing. Social media is powerful, versatile, and easy to implement. But if you want more control of your digital marketing strategy, email marketing is king. To sum it up, email marketing involves acquiring a potential customer's email address legitimately and with integrity, and then reaching out to them privately to promote your brand or sell your product or your service. Email marketing is just as common as social media marketing, but it's often overlooked because it's not as flashy and it's not quite as easy to access, and because it usually involves a bit more thought and preparation. But unlike social media marketing, email marketing doesn't require constant maintenance and expense. All you need is a great lead magnet, a simple funnel automation, and high-value email content. You can think of it like this: social media is digital marketing done in public, email marketing is digital marketing done in private. Both are perfectly legitimate and effective ways to reach your audience. I'm personally in favour of a sort of hybrid version of the two, but whatever works best for you, go with that. And finally, number 3, in terms of the ones I'm going to talk about, is affiliate marketing. And this is such a great way to promote your business right now. Why is that? Because instead of you shouting about your business from the rooftops, you get other people to do it for you. And these aren't just people that you've hired to do it. These are fans of your brand. And whenever they tell people how awesome you are, they actually mean it. And it's really, really easy to set up an affiliate program for your business these days. There are lots and lots of different platforms out there. They handle everything from start to scratch, and all you have to do is find affiliates to fill them with. And you're going to find those affiliates through your website or through social media. And once they've signed up, they can start generating more business for you and a handy side income for themselves. I love affiliate marketing personally because you give other people a chance to potentially make some money on the side. And at the same time, you're growing your own brand awareness and boosting your own sales. It's a total win-win situation, and like email marketing, once it's set up, it basically runs itself. So that is a super quick introduction to the 3 forms of digital marketing that I use every single week with my business. They aren't the only forms of digital marketing, of course. There's more popping up every single day, but they're the 3 that I use all the time, and I can personally vouch for their effectiveness. So my question is, which forms of digital marketing are you using right now to promote your business? And which of the 3 that I've mentioned are you not using, and why? I'd be so interested here, so please let me know in the comments below. I'd be so interested to hear what works for you and what kind of things you'd love to try for your business going forward. While you're down there, please don't forget to download my free guide, How to Get Your First 10,000 Followers on Social Media. It is free. It's free. Did I mention that it's free? And you can download it now in the show notes below. I hope you found this video helpful today in some way. I hope it sparked some cerebral juices and got some things moving in your head. As always, thanks for spending some time with me today. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this video before you go, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.